welcome back. I'm Ali and I am vlogging about my beginner's journey on my new motorbike. I've got a Honda 125 and this, I think today, this is my 6th ride. Pretty sure it is. I'll have to check back on the previous videos. Anyway, it's only going to be a short one because the weather is looming. I can see grey clouds and I want to get going pretty quick. There's one place I'm going to swing by on the way to my first cafe where I'm going to hopefully collect a stamp in my bike and brew passport. So let's get going. So I brought you here hoping that you would get a really nice view of these daffodil wind turbines in the blue sky and sunshine, but that wasn't to be today. Anyway, introducing Bryn behind me, the daffodil, and Delilah over the way. These two windmills power the Royal Mint, which is just down the way there. As you probably know, the Royal Mint produces money. I've never been there actually, I think I need to go. But these two wind turbines, they're a great little view in South Wales, and yeah, look glorious on a sunny day, but I'm not going to hang around because it's starting to rain again. That was a nice pit stop in this little cafe. Good opportunity to get warmed up because it was a little bit chilly then, and first opportunity to get a stamp in my bike and brew passport. I think this is my most local cafe to come and get a stamp and a drink. So am I going to make it home before it pees down with rain? I hope so. I had hailstones. I don't know if you could see that. So that's the first time I've ridden in hailstones. And it's amazing, like looking at the road, how slick they can get so quickly. So another really good experience for me as a beginner rider, and I really appreciate you watching. And again, I really appreciate all the positive comments that people leave as well. Thank you so much, it really fills me with confidence. Forgot to say, I should probably comment on the coffee as well. Really nice cappuccino, £4.20 though, a bit on the expensive side. Lovely venue though, really quiet, really chilled, lovely massive car park. So at the moment that is #1 choice for cappuccino in South Wales, but I will be doing a tour and I will be finding where my #1 coffee choice is, so I'll keep you posted with that as well on my travels.